Well, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, mukhang maganda yung exchange ni Congressman Tupas kanina. But as Adele and I, Antonio and Karen were discussing earlier, gusto namin makita yung point kung bakit kinoconnect mo yung pamilya ni Congressman Tupas at saka yung pamilya ni Ms. Tiongson.
Unang-una, yung aking concern naman doon, yung pagpapalabas ng alleged yung leaked documents. Kasi quite worried that they might violate the Republic Act 1405. Ngayon, kinonect ko dahil, first of all, itong si Miss Annabel Tiongson, tiga Iloilo. Ano? Tapos yung first cousin niya, yung Obet Buenaflor Armada, ay naging vice governor nung tatay ni ni Congressman Tupas, si Governor Neil Tupas Sr. Tapos pareho silang nanalo noong 2004 at noong 2010 nung tumakbo ulit ng Vice Governor yung first cousin ni Annabel Tiongson na si Obet Buenaflor Armada, ang running mate naman niya yung kapatid ni Congressman Tupas, yung Buboy Tupas, hindi
Raul,
whatever. So, doon pa lang may establish mo na magkakalapit, na acquainted talaga yung pamilya ni Buenaflor Tiongson, ni Annabel, tsaka yung pamilya ni Congressman Tupas. So, hindi ako, sa aking opinion, sa aking naniniwala ako na magkakilala sila. Imposibleng hindi sila magkakilala.
Despite their denials. Pero ako, inihintay ko rin naman na gumawa ka ng may conclusion ka bang gagawin? Didiretsuhin na kita. Are you implying that Tiongson could have been the source of the documents that the prosecution got from PS Bank?
The last statement that I said sa trial, who knows? It might be Annabel Tiongson who gave the leaked documents to Congressman Tupas. But of course, I cannot do that dahil wala naman ako ebidensya.
So parang tanong lang yun.
Tanong lang yun.
I think they have denied it.
Ako, Senator Estrada, I'm just wondering na, kasi napag-usapan natin kahapon yung tungkol nga kay Congressman Umali na parang pangit na script. Bakit wala pong nagtanong na senador tungkol dito?
Baka may nakalimot lang. Pero siguro bukas, pagka makita si Congressman Umali sa trial, baka ma-refresh yung memories ng ibang senador. Tanungin kung sino talaga yung little lady.
Pero baka hindi na baka hindi na magpakita yun kung yan lang ang kinakailangan.
Ang additional question ko dun, Senator Estrada, is baka hindi ito importante sa mga senador. Meaning, kasi parang side issue naman to, hindi naman to talaga pumapasok sa sustansya mismo ng impeachment. Is it something that the senators will actually discuss?
Hindi na siguro, kasi with all due respect to Congressman Umali, I for one doesn't believe in it. Na talagang bulok yung script nila. Pati naman siguro yung taong bayan, hindi naman siguro naniniwala na merong nag-abot sa kanya ng isang maliit na babae ng mga dokumento.
So I think, if I get you correctly, tama na inaipakita nyo sa pamamagitan ng CCTV footage ng Senate na hindi totoo.
Yes. Total naman, pinakita na, may report na sa impeachment court na walang maliit na babae na nag-approach kay Congressman Umali.
So ba, is it because he's also a lawmaker? No? I mean, senador kayo, congressman din naman siya.
Hindi naman.
Wala namang courtesy involved dyan.
Walang ganon.
Let me toss to Karen and Tony. Senator Estrada.
No, I wanted to ask Senator Jinggoy, just candidly speaking, do you have personal knowledge or information that, tinanong naman kayo ni Linda ng diretsahan that PS Bank leaked the documents?
No, I do not have information, to tell you honestly. I do not have that information.
Okay.
I was just trying to establish the link between, or the closeness between the families of Tupas and Tiongson.
Okay. All right. Okay, Tony, go ahead.
May nagtatanong pala sa ating social media. Good afternoon pala. Good evening na pala. Good evening pala, Senator Jinggoy. Si Tony Velasquez.
Good evening, Tony.
May nagtatanong, and I feel that it's a legitimate question, Sa banking practice, sabi nga ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, kasalanan daw ng bangko, pinaghalo-halo yung dollar at bank records. Mukha bang sinadya yun dahil alam nung may hawak nung account na kapag nilagay mo yung dollar account with the peso account, yung buong document masisikreto na because it's covered by the law on foreign currency deposits?
Well, ako, as far as banking practice is concerned, sa aking konting kaalaman sa banking, hindi sinasabay.
Normal practice.
It's not a normal banking practice na sinasabay yung peso account tsaka yung dollar account. Alam ko, hiwalay yan.
So, posible kaya, when I'm just speculating also, indulge me on this, na sinadya nga yun because the holder of the account knew na pag sinama mo yung dollar, automatically covered with secrecy na yun.
Well, hindi natin malaman yan. Malalaman natin bukas yan dahil inorder na ni Senate President Enrile na dalhin ang lahat ng mga dokumento regarding the peso
Pero
account.
nakatapal yung tape dun sa dollar
Yes, pero
portion.
nakatapal yung tape dun sa dollar account.
May tapal. Kumbaga sa pelikula, Senator Jinggoy, may plaster.
Alam ko lang, isa
Dun
lang
sa-
pinagagamitan ng plaster. Eh.
Ayun lang. Ay, tapos na Valentine's, pero may plaster pa rin. Ayun.
Senator Jinggoy, kung, di ba, inutos po na dalhin yun. Halimbawa, lumabas nga po na magkapareho ang signature. Ng peso po ito, yung pinag-uusapan
Peso
natin.
lang, oo.
Pero ang testimonya pa rin nung PS Bank president, yung PS Bank manager it's a fake. Yung abogado pa ng PS Bank, sabi it is spurious and altered.
Actually, even the president
Even the
himself said
president
before that they
himself.
appeared
Eh,
fake.
diyan mapapatunayan.
Yun
Diyan
natanong-
mapapatunayan na nagsisinungaling yung presidente tsaka yung bank manager. Kung talaga maipakita bukas na talagang pareho ang pirma. Talagang hindi fake yung documents. Kung talagang mapapatunayan. At depende nga bukas kung ano makikita namin sa mga dokumentong dadalhin.
Kumbaga, parang adverse witness na ang PS Bank, hostile witness na sila ng prosecution.
Well, I don't know if they had qualified them as a hostile witness. Pero sa ngayon, alam ko, testigo pa nila yung manager tsaka yung presidente ng PS Bank.
Okay, alright. Adele, Linda.
Okay, well, we want to thank Senator. Baka bukas mayroon ka na namang ibang
Wala.
tatanungin. Bigyan mo na kami ng preview what you are going to do tomorrow.
Depende sa mga ebidensya lalabas bukas.
Teaser. Okay, we'd like to thank Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Salamat, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Tony and Karens, back to you.
All right. Well, we do have a few minutes just to wrap up, Attorney Adele and Linda. But interestingly, because we're now on day 18, but just looking